For today's video, we will show you how to convert US dollars into rupees in PayPal. So let's begin. Now for us to be able to convert US dollars to rupees, all you're gonna do is go to your mobile device and open the PayPal app. Or if you're using the web version, go to paypal.com and log in using your credentials. And then simply you need to go to wallet. Alright, click on that. And then select more icon beside the currency you want to have to convert and click convert currency. Now select the currency, which is rupees, and enter the amount you want to convert. And the conversion rate will be displayed on this page. Click next and click convert now. So it's supposed to look like this way. Say for example, this is your US dollars and this is your rupees. If it's not your default currency, all you're gonna do is add currency right here. Click on that, and you should be able to search rupees here, right? So we have like Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, Swiss franc, Czech Republic. And if by any chance you can't find rupees here, all you're gonna do is contact the PayPal support and tell them your situation, that you are trying to add rupees, so you want to convert US dollars to your local currency, which is rupees, but most of the time you would be able to see it here. All right, so adding currency is region specific, but again, if you have any questions about adding currency and converting US dollars to your local currency, if you're having problems, just contact PayPal support and they'll be more than glad to assist you. Okay, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We will see you all in the next one.